Hey guys, this is Rita with, and today I am here with another live session, and it's again going to be a virtual book launch. So let's wait for everyone to join in and then we can start off. Hi, Missy, yeah, 23. How are you guys? How is your weekend going? Hey Arun, I'm good. How are you? Hi Bookster 9. Yes, I am having one. So what are you guys reading? Hello, Biplofia here. How are you? Hi. So our author is here and we will be joining soon. Alright, so Jiganshu is joining me soon and then we will start. We'll talk to her about her writing journey. Hi, Ernest Aspirant.
Oh, hi. Hi, Vidya.
Hi,
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm perfectly fine.
Hi, Archita. All right, guys. So, author Jikanshu Sharma is here with us, and we will be talking to her about her writing journey. Well, she is an author of book Friends Forever, yeah, whatever, and she is publishing her second novel. So, hello, Jikanshu. Thank you for joining me today. It's my pleasure to have you here today.
Well, thank you, Vidya. It's all your idea. It's all you have done. Whatever done, everything is all you behind it. I'm just doing nothing. Just I'm getting nervous
No,
only. And thank you so much. And by the way, you are looking as beautiful and as gorgeous as you always look.
thank you. Okay, Jiganshu. So let's start with tell us the idea behind this book, Papa. Like, why Papa? Why the name is Papa?
Well, not just this book, Vidya. In fact, my debut book and the 8 upcoming
Huh?
books which will be launching in the coming years have the same idea. That is my dreams.
Okay.
I was
Uh-huh.
very dreamy kid in my life, and what I do is
Mm-hmm.
like everybody, fill their void in their life through dreams. So do I.
Yes.
So I always wanted to be a super cop or a superhero who want to save the world, who want to, risk her life to take care of the
Mm-hmm.
people in distress time and kill the monsters and kill the supervillain and save them.
Yes.
So
Yes.
but in real life, I'm not like that. My child is like old, like I'm fat, chubby, shy, bookworm sort of person. I was the person who's like
Uh,
bullied and who's like body shamed in my own house. So I grew up, and yes, book gave me immense confidence. I'm no more a shy person. I'm no more an antisocial
hmm.
person, and but my dreams persist. So I may not have those superpowers, but I have
Mm-hmm.
super brains, and my brain has lots and lots of stories to tell. So as it is
Wow.
said in the Spider-Man's movie, with the power you have responsibilities. So if I
Yes,
have very good
correct.
stories to tell, so it's my responsibility to save people from
Stay.
boredom, from frustration, and from everything.
Yes,
So that's why I
correct.
decided to write, and I decided to save people from frustration and boredom.
Okay, so how reading got into your life? Like when was the time when you picked up your first book, and which was that first book that you read in your life?
First book. Well, I'm blessed with my very good two brothers. My elder brother
Mm-hmm.
Sudhanshu, he's a very intellectual man. Since I was like I'm 5 or 6, since I was reading, and I was pampered with Ruskin Bones, with
Wow.
रॉबिन शर्मा, शकुंतला देवी की मैथ की जो टिप्स वाली बुक्स थी, दैट वो
Yes,
एकेडमिक
yes,
भी
yes,
नहीं थी, वो नोवेल भी नहीं थी, बट आई लव
yes.
डूइंग मैथ टिप्स, मैथ की वो ट्रिक्स, शॉर्ट शॉर्ट ट्रिक्स एंड पजल्स एंड
Mm-hmm.
एवरीथिंग. And my younger brother
Mm-hmm.
Himanshu Sharma, he's very jolly kind of human being. He pampered me with comics like Champak, like Heartleys,
Oh,
like He-Man,
yes,
Chacha Chaudhary, Pinky, and we enjoyed them with samosa and everything. So it's
yes.
not that I don't remember the date. I just picked up my first book. It's like
हाँ.
बचपन से ही वो आता रहा घर
Oh.
पे, and I'm like pampered with the books,
Mm-hmm.
with through my
Yes.
parents or through my friends. It just keep coming, and I never
Mm-hmm.
stopped reading them.
Okay, so tell us something about Friends Forever, yeah, whatever, too. Like the title is Friends Forever, yeah, whatever. So tell us about that novel too as well.
Well, FFYW is a rom-com teen fiction, but if I tell you the
Mm-hmm.
truth, it's like 80% of my real life. In fact, I'm guilty of
Oh.
picking the first letter of the alphabet of the name of my real life besties. Like Ruhi became
Oh.
Ray, Bharti became Deena,
Mm-hmm.
Ankita became Akriti, and the same way.
Oh.
Firstly, there are lots of people, even my friends read that book and they said, "Arey, ye bhi bata diya hamare bare mein." And I was like, I'm sorry, I'm guilty of doing that. Along with that, मैंने इसमें एक मैसेज भी डाला है. It's a story
Mm-hmm.
of a girl, a female protagonist, and that girl Jugnu Sharma is, she dreams, she makes choices, but she has to
Mm-hmm.
surrender in front of the society. You know how society is, especially for girls.
Mm-hmm. Correct,
अरे
correct.
लड़की है तो मैथ क्यों ले रही है, बायो दिला दो, इंजीनियरिंग नहीं
Mm,
करनी चाहिए, डॉक्टर बनना
correct,
चाहिए. अरे ज्यादा बोलती है
correct,
तो बॉयफ्रेंड होंगे इसके, चटर पटर बातें करती है, ग्रेजुएशन हो गई तो शादी
correct,
कर दो, है ना. तो she has to surrender. She is from that
correct.
society only. But the good thing in that
Hmm.
protagonist is that she never stopped fighting. She has to, keep her dreams going, and her dreams make her to fight. Plus, her
Correct.
dreams make her strong, and at the end, she lives happily ever after.
Ah, okay. So both your books have completely different themes. Okay, like Papa is on mystery, and this Friends Forever, yeah, whatever is a rom-com. So ever thought of a sequel, like about a sequel?
Yeah, books are completely different actually. What I was thinking is that when I started writing, there lots of ideas came into my way. कि भाई हाँ
Mm-hmm.
ये भी अच्छा है, ये भी अच्छा है. Right now I'm
Mm-hmm.
working on 8 more novels. Their
Oh
plots are
wow.
designed. I just have to write them. So I don't want to put a
Mm-hmm.
tag on my face कि अरे भाई ये तो she just only like romantic,
Huh.
she just only write about crime. I want to explore lots of things. Plus my readers,
Wow.
I want to surprise my readers every time. They will think कि
Ah.
हाँ जिज्ञांशु की बुक अब पता नहीं क्या ही आया होगा उसमें. So I want that thing. Plus yes,
Yes.
sequel Papa 2 is like जब मैं I was writing Papa 1, there's so much to write again. But I can't
Okay.
write one. अभी 200 pages की book
Correct.
है और कितना बड़ा करोगे. So I just put a best climax of my life in this book, and the
Correct.
Papa 2 plot is ready, and my third book is ready for submission, and fourth and fifth, yeah, sixth book might be Papa 2, and readers can expect it on after
Okay.
at the end of 2022. So definitely, and it will
Oh.
be a bang on again. It will be the bang on.
Mm-hmm. So tell us something more about Papa, the book
Papa,
Papa.
okay, you want to know more about Papa? Okay, it's a family
Yes.
drama. I don't want to spill the beans, so I just
Yes.
tell you it's a suspense thriller
Give it
murder
just
mystery. So it's a family drama. There is a middle class family. Suresh Mehra is the Papa of the story,
Oh.
and he has 4 children. Like Ishita Mehra, she got
Mm-hmm.
murdered. Ritesh Mehra, Pavan Mehra, and Geetu Mehra. So they are like
Yes.
any happy family in the Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
So Pawan Mehra
Mm-hmm.
flew to abroad for his studies, and Suresh
Mm-hmm.
Mehra, he got he just died because of a car crash, and Ritesh have to
Wow.
leave his studies in the mid and to find out a job just to अपनी फैमिली का खर्चा उठा सके. राइट। तो
हाँ
अब इसी के बीच में सारा इमोशनल टर्मोइल है। मीनवाइल इशिता मेहरा की डेथ हो मर्डर हो जाता है। मीनवाइल रितेश एक रोमांटिक अलायंस में भी जाता है। द स्टोरी इज अबाउट टू प्रोटैगनिस्ट, रितेश मेहरा
हम्म,
एंड राजवीर सिंह मार। तो
राजवीर
राजवीर
सिंह।
सिंह मार इज इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर, रितेश मेहरा इज द विक्टिम, यू नो। सो बोथ ऑफ देम आर लाइक वर्किंग टुगेदर। उनकी लाइफ साथ साथ चल
हम्म,
रही है, और इस बीच में ही
ओके।
द होल स्टोरी इज लाइक वेब्ड अराउंड देयर लाइफ एंड एवरीथिंग।
Oh,
So I don't
wow.
want to, you know,
Yeah,
tell
so
many more
which
things.
is your favorite character from this book?
Favorite character? Well, it doesn't take long because while I was writing the book, I just fell in love with Ritesh Mehra. I don't know why. I didn't deliberately
Oh.
do it, but there are lots of good characters
Mm-hmm.
in the book. But I can feel the pain of Ritesh Mehra. You know, Vidya, every time I see water in his eye, he's crying, I can feel water in my
Oh.
eyes. When his brother Pawan Mehra, go abroad, I
Mm-hmm.
can feel the pain. As my real younger brother is in New Zealand, I can feel the pain. I can feel his pain.
Yes,
When
yes.
his sister got murdered, the emotional turmoil he's undergoing through the investigating team is in his house. The
Uh,
forensic wala banda are in their house and they're
yes, yes,
asking
yes.
questions. His mother is in depression. His father
So
is
this
no
book
more.
is all about
So
emotions, I would say.
emotion, suspense, and one more thing that I won't be disclosing. So I
Yes.
just fell in love with him. So
Mm-hmm.
other than Ritesh, there are two more side characters. One is Radha, Ritesh Singh Mahar's
Uh-huh.
wife, and she's a very cute girl. Vidya, she's just newly married, and उसका husband जब
Mm-hmm.
उसको फोन करता है कि अरे चलो हम डेट पे चलते हैं बाहर खाना खाने, तो she gets so excited कि वो red साड़ी, red बिंदी,
Oh.
red lipstick, you know. She's all, full girly
Hmm.
girl बन जाती है. She's a
Yes,
girl
yes,
from
yes.
Maham, a small town near Delhi.
Oh.
तो वो भी एक तड़का सा डालती है स्टोरी में. एंड प्लस
अच्छा.
जसविंदर सोढ़ी, या जसविंदर सोढ़ी, सीनियर टू राजवीर सिंह मार. ही इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट टिपिकल पुलिस के होते हैं ना दिल्ली के,
Mm-hmm.
वेरी फूडी, वेरी जोली, के घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सोल्व कर लेंगे केस, कल पकड़ लेंगे मर्डर को. तो
हाँ
उसकी तो
हाँ.
फाइल्स से ज्यादा तो चाट की प्लेटें होती हैं उसकी टेबल पे, तो वो भी
Oh
पूरी
my
खाएगी,
God.
एक बूंद भी नहीं छोड़ता चटनी की वो. So they are like, both of them are like add a tangy, tadka to that book.
Yes, yes,
Plus they
yes.
are what we say
Mm-hmm.
quintessential characters, जो readers को थोड़ा
Yeah.
सा hilariously, bond करके रखेंगे book
Mm-hmm.
के साथ.
Okay, so there are so many genres that you want to write in. So, which is that one genre that you feel like, okay, I don't want to, try that genre या वैसा एक कौन सा genre है?
वैसे तो I don't want to try self help, but most of my friends says you are a very good speaker, you are a very good motivator, you should try self help. But I am like feeling nervous कि अरे अगर मैंने एक बार उठा भी लिया ना तो वो पूरा तो नहीं हो पाएगा. I am sure about it. वो नहीं उठा पाऊंगे मैं, कर नहीं
Okay, so
पाऊंगी.
we
But
have a
one day,
question. Yes,
okay.
one day definitely. Why the name of the book is Papa?
Well, the name of the book is Papa. You know about this when you read the book. If I tell you, then the whole buzz will be poof, and I don't want to do that.
Okay, so
It's a
how
big
the
suspense.
story, yes, so it again, how the story relates to the book, so it's a suspense.
Yeah, it's a suspense.
Okay, so what do you think, what makes a good story?
A good story. Yeah, for me it's emotions, Vidya. Because suppose मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. A writer is writing about a scene जिसमें एक लड़का एक लड़की को प्रपोज करे. They are at a seaside, lights
Yes,
हैं, flowers हैं,
yes,
wine है,
yes.
food है, everything is perfect. After food,
Okay.
जो लड़का है, he bent on his knees and he want to propose a girl with a rose. Now the boy is nervous. He is no, ये लड़की हाँ करेगी कि ना करेगी. Still, he's उसको hurt भी हो रहा है. He is on his knees. Plus the girl is like very shy and he's like all timid and she can feel the romantic jitters from the boy and she's all mush and all. So if that emotion is perfectly captured by the writer and when readers are reading the whole scene, तो उनको अगर वो वहाँ पे लेके जा सके writer readers को कि भाई they can feel the perspective of boy side, they can feel the perspective of girl side, and
Girl
they can feel the
side.
same mush, the same nervousness, then bang on. The writer have this
Yes.
perfect thing. Along with that, I think perfect emotion perfect जगह पे होना चाहिए. It's not like that.
Correct.
Suppose somebody is writing कि अरे किसी का खून हो रहा है, and the girl जिसको हम मारने जा रहे हैं, भैया वो बहुत सुंदर लग रही है. She is wearing hot red dress. She is like having rose in her hair and she is looking perfectly. अरे भाई मर्डर होने वाला है, गूज बम्प दो रीडर्स को. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना कि आप उसको रोमांटिकली रीडर्स को उसके अंदर इंटरेस्टेड कर रहे हो. तो परफेक्ट
Correct.
इमोशन परफेक्ट प्लेस पे भी होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट्स लाइक अ टोटल वेस्ट.
Oh, yeah, that is true. And how has been your writing schedule? So tell us something about your writing journey.
Well, my writing journey, my first book took me 5 years because I seriously have no idea how to write, where to submit. It really took me lots of time to put the thing into the place and then put out for publication. And as far as my second book concerned, it took me 3 years because the thing is that from December to my debut book came on August 2017, and I started writing my second book in December 2017
December,
till March
yes.
2017 till March 2018. I finished half of the book, but and on live on camera, I want to make a confession, Vidya. Okay, I finished half of my novel in my banking hours because when you land up at 6:30 at home, whether वो सरकारी नौकरी हो, आपके creative neurons मर चुके होते हैं. You can't work,
Correct.
you can't do anything. So you just what you do is like you just simply pack up for the day. You just think of eating and sleeping. So if my seniors are listening, then I'm really sorry कि मैं lunch hours में आप आगे पीछे लिख लेती थी. So after March, I got pregnant, and as I told you, the emotional turmoil with this book is too high to risk health of my unborn baby.
Yes.
So I stepped back. I enjoyed the pregnancy period. I enjoyed the maternity period, and I resumed writing in August 2019. And I finished the book in December 2009. Right, December 2019. Yeah. And after that, my schedule is like very simple. I used to write when my baby is for afternoon nap, after lunch, 1 hour or 1.5 hours. Then only I write. Even तो ये बुक तो मैंने विद्या बस कैसे लिखी है, खाना बनाते वक्त लिखी है, वॉशरूम में लिखी है, कहाँ लिखी है, ये बुक बहुत मुश्किल से लिखी है, हो गई.
Okay, so yes, so इससे मैं ये पूछती हूँ कि जब आपको आइडिया आता है तो आप आपके दिमाग में वो रहता है या you jot it down somewhere और कैसे रहता है?
Idea came any time because I think I am very multitasking. While I was cooking, I was like, oh my god, आ गया. Sometimes I woke up and I'm going to my washroom कि हाँ चलो अब ritual करते हैं. And I was like, oh my god, आ गया. So I just pick my mobile and I just notes में मैं छोटा-छोटा बना लेती हूँ. Because I can't be like हाँ छोड़ो सब कुछ, खाना बाद में बनाएंगे. ऐसा मेरे साथ तो possible है. I have to be very quick. Whatever I'm doing, if I'm doing laundry, I just pick my it teaches me a lot. Teaches me a lot. Everything teaches you a lot. Till the second book, Vidya, I don't know that book blogger is a thing. It's just 2 months ago I found out that book blogger is a thing. I didn't know, about the literary agents. After this book, I came to understand that literary agent is a thing. There are lots of challenges to submit your book to the big renowned houses. Most of them won't accept. Even they don't, करते भी नहीं है वो reply. Most of the time, I was like, अरे यार हाँ ना कुछ तो बोलो. So the writer like us, we have lots of struggle. So we have to opt for self-publication, right?
Correct.
But everybody can't afford that self-publication. So especially writing good is not important. The most important thing I learned is marketing is also.
Marketing.
Yeah.
Yes,
From
correct.
first book, I don't know about this concept, but second book, I'm trying and I'm learning. So meanwhile, in this journey of writing and submission of this book, I opt a career of writing coach as well. And I picked two very good proposals, and both of the writers are very good. And I'm planning their grand debut in the writing world.
Wow.
Because मैंने चाहती तो मेरे साथ हुआ, वो उनके साथ हुआ. And in coming times, even we have discussed lots of things. I have come through lots of things. So I was thinking of opening a publication house of, put the authors where I give them all services like publication, marketing, and everything free of cost. It's just like charity for me. But the thing is that I am right now planning for कि funds कहाँ से आएगा, मैं खुद कितना डालूं और मैं बाहर से अगर लाऊं NGO वगैरह से तो कैसे करूं. तो it's just a deep dream. But I would like कि भाई आगे आने वाले 2-3 सालों में there are lots of good authors with that. They don't make up to the big houses. Self publication का उनके पास होता नहीं है option. So I just like,
Hmm.
अरे ये बुक तो रह गई. I'm a reader also. मैं पढ़ती रहती हूँ. अरे इतना अच्छा ऑथर था. कहाँ है? इंस्टाग्राम पे है ही नहीं, मिल ही नहीं सकते.
Okay, so
तो
coming to
इसीलिए.
reading, yeah.
हम्म.
So coming to reading, which are the 5 books that you would suggest
Oh, only 5.
that one
Okay.
should read?
As I told you, I was always shocked with books. There are 5 books only to choose. Well, it's
Yeah.
from my elder brother's
Or
library. It's Who Will
yeah.
Cry When You Die from Robin Sharma.
Hmm.
Tough
Hmm.
Time Never Lasts, but Tough People Do by Robert H. Speller. And Harry Potter. Oh my God. J.K. Rowling की Harry Potter तो सारी की सारी you must read. It's a good entertaining book. I love Harry Potter. I love Daniel Radcliffe. I'm in love with J.K. Rowling. I'm a Potterhead. I'm from Gryffindor. So I just love. And Sita from Amish Tripathi. I love
That is
that
a
book. I don't
wonderful
know
book.
और readers के साथ ऐसा होता है कि नहीं होता, but I to compare myself with the protagonist कि oh she's a tomboy, I am a tomboy. She's good in martial arts and I am black belt in taekwondo. Both our parents treat us
Oh.
like princess, and maybe I'm not as equivalent to Sita, but I'm blessed with a husband like Ram. He might be laughing in another room while watching this live session. So these are few favorite things. Plus, I right now I also enjoy. I have a Pratiliti app जिसे मैंने डाउनलोड करके जिसमें मैं
Hmm.
चंपक पिंकी सब पढ़ती हूँ. So there's not just
Yeah.
5 books. There are lots of books.
Books them like. Okay, so guys, if you want to ask the author any questions, please add your questions in comment, and Jiganshu will be answering them all today. Okay,
Yay.
Jiganshu. So coming back to the questions, uh, as we discussed about the challenges, so what is that one advice that you would give to the upcoming writers?
Challenges. So I have told you since childhood I am
Hmm.
facing challenges. I
Yeah.
was like 8 or 9 year old when I designed my own comic book जिसमें एक प्रिंसेस होती है राही उसके पास मैजिकल फ्लूट होती है पूरी एक स्टोरी है
Hmm.
अमेरिकन प्रिंस होता है जॉन सब कुछ है
Yes.
but I didn't know that it has to
Hmm.
be published or there's something.
Hmm.
So when
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
became a teenager like any other teenager I was very rebellious कि भाई हम तो दुनिया बदल
Hmm.
देंगे हम तो ये कर देंगे तो I
कर
write
दे दुनिया
poems
मुट्ठी में.
about
Hmm.
love, about society, about social issues, but not. But the thing is that I don't know they I have to compile them. वो होती है ना अपनी मिडिल क्लास
Hmm.
मम्मियाँ रफ रजिस्टर के पीछे हम कुछ भी लिख देते हैं और वो जो एकेडमिक्स की बुक को तो संभाल के रख देती हैं बट रफ रजिस्टर्स को बेच देती हैं एंड आई वाज सो फ्यूरियस कि मॉम आपने 100 में बिकने वाली पोइट्री जो है 2 में बेच दी तो what can I say? So at उस एज में भी मुझे
Correct.
ये नहीं था कि hundreds of poems I have written, I should have compiled them and today मेरी एक पोइट्री की बुक होती पूरी पूरी तो वो भी मिस हो गया फिर मैं एक रैट रेस में चली गई लाइक मिडिल क्लास सोसाइटी में होता है कि भाई राइटिंग इज नॉट अ करियर लाइक सिंगिंग इज नॉट अ करियर इट्स अ हॉबी
Hmm.
तो आई ज्वाइन अ
Hmm.
कॉर्पोरेट लेडर आई ज्वाइन अ कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड सो आई वाज लाइक अरे ये तो हो नहीं रहा मुझे तो लिखना है सो आई लेफ्ट दैट जॉब इन द मिड एंड कम टू द सरकारी नौकरी फिर उसमें भी स्ट्रगल वी हैव टू बी लाइक on our toes whether it's sarkari or whether it's government doesn't
Yeah.
matter
So, which is
job
that
जो भी
advice
है
that you would like to give? Yes.
तो
So,
एडवाइस में तो
what? Huh.
एडवाइस में तो आई वुड लाइक टू सजेस्ट कि भाई अगर आप लोगों को ये लगता है जितने भी बडिंग ऑथर्स हैं कि ऑथर्स की लाइफ बहुत मजेदार है इंस्टाग्राम पे उनके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर्स हैं लाइक यो वी कैन डू दिस तुम मत लिखो इफ यू हैव दैट पैशन to भाई के yes we can do this we can leave our Netflix series in the mid we can leave our lunch we can skip our night sleep then you should come to the writing plus writing के
Hmm.
साथ writing good is not enough you have to market it as well to go to research do research read good books and then write so that's what I want to
Hmm.
advise the budding authors.
Okay. So, last question, Jiganshu. How would you how would you describe your publishing journey or writing journey in just 5 words?
Oh, it's hectic. It's lovely also. I'm
Hmm.
happy
Hmm.
and I want to help many people. I think they're 5 से ज़्यादा
Hmm.
हो गए हैं.
Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, do ask them in comments. Okay, we have some comments like you must really write a self-help book.
Okay, I will definitely try.